Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's Trade Ideas and Signal. Disclaimer here. This is called Trade Ideas and not a financial advice. Please take notes. Thank you. We'll be starting with Euro USD this morning. And I actually waited for this trade to get invalidated before I come on to record our trade ideas for today. And as you can see now, we have two trades. This particular trade, I talked about it on Monday that is going to be a risk trade, expecting this level to be our actual level that we'll be acting from. But as you can see now, acting from this level, I also said that be waiting for my trade here, this fair value gap, to be closed below to validate my shift in the market. So I'll be shifting from buying to selling with what I am seeing here because my trade has been invalidated by this leg. So even though we are within this other block that we have here, this proportion block rather, which mitigated this other block that we have here, but the kind of reaction we are expecting from this level is not what we are getting. So automatically, what I'll be expecting from market is kind of like trying to capitalize on some sell. Yeah, anyway, whatever we are doing in the market is still a risk, and there is nothing much to expect from it other than either going our way, going our direction, or going otherwise. So, but nonetheless, we follow our methodology all through. So, with our analysis, with the analysis we did from Monday, and this is our dealing range, and I said, okay, this is our weak high from what we are seeing, then we can kind of be expecting some um, continuation from all the levels that we have here. But since we are having this level now, we can see that market has kind of created some reversal pattern showing that, okay, our weak high is ready for retracement, either to recapitalize in taking out the weak high or in going lower. Whichever way, we're going to move from the left side of the market to the right side of the market now, which is what we literally be doing. And deleting this order, which has gone, which is now, which has been invalidated by the price in the market. What we have here, our fair value gap, as it kind of give us some reactions here, and the levels that we pick here also give us some reactions, but it's not, it doesn't have enough strength to send price up. So with what we are having here now, isolating Euro USD on its own, what we are having here is kind of reversal within this leg, and if we are having that, then we have to flow with the market because the leg that's supposed to send price higher for continuation has already got broken, which is this particular our previous daily low, which was on Friday, and we're on Wednesday now. We can still have some kind of buy into the market and checking good. You can see that what we are even expecting, and they move with one another. Euro, USD, and gold always move in the same direction. But from what we are seeing here, Euro, US, I mean, gold just continue to buy. And I talk about this level also being a major trend change that will validate ourselves, but that we should just risk this level that it might possible send price lower. And there is no harm in trying. And as we've tried that and it didn't work, then uh, a smaller percentage of our account is being taken off. So what do we do next is to flow with the market. We didn't make the rules. We didn't kind of force ourselves on the market. We just flow with our methodology. Whatever our methodology asks us to do, then we just do it. Like I usually say, that the trade give us money or not is not our something that the trade is is the right trade, except that we follow our methodology to to the tiniest something that he asked us to do. So from what we are seeing here, that is the reclaim. This fair value gap is what I'll be taking my trades from. I'm going to be taking any trades, and it's going to be my reacting point to Where are we? Then this will be our mitigation block moving lower. I didn't want to let this what is it called? Trade slide us by. That's the reason why I'm rushing. And I don't want a situation whereby we're going to miss the trade. So here will be our mitigation block where we'll be expecting markets to react from. But nonetheless, if I'm going to do it, here is our fair value gap. So if I'm going to be taking this trade, I'll be taking it from this particular level here. I'll be taking my sell from this level. So which is 31 pips. But if I'm going to do it right, we can kind of like make it this way, and that's the 26 pips. And okay, so you can see, as we can see, the pips is so high, and this is 31.5 pips. Okay, let's try and see if it is something that's possible for us to, and that's now be 96 pips. Now we'll be targeting, and let's see where it ends. It aligned perfectly within this other block, but was so deep in it. I don't know if we can just kind of like try to take the trace from that level, but it's almost the same thing. If we take it to the integration block, it's just a 4 pips difference. So I will just let it be within this leg here. So I'll let it be because we might have a situation whereby EURUSD is not giving us some proper mitigation of that block and still continue to move downward. So I'll be taking this trade as this one. So that will be my trade on Euro USD. So that will be my sell. And I didn't want to go into deeper. And as you can see, we already have shifts in the market structure that we have here. And that's a perfect MSS for us to major MSS. So anything can happen within the market. So um, so that would be our trade on euro. And at the same time on gold, I'll just be holding on to this trade here. And if we have a deeper retracement into this particular level here, and it eventually come up, it might not be going to this extent. So I'll just leave it this way because this might actually be a liquidity tap of this particular level that we have here. So market might probably not kind of react from that level, but we have another level here, which is signaling another buy. And if at all we can be risking something from that, we can be buying from this level because it's a 4-hour level and it might be a very pure one. So it might be a very pure one, 15,418. And we can increase it to 1550. So, and that's 15, that's 45, it's 4650, 46,500. And that's our perfect 1 to 3. So we might be taking trades from that as well. So, but I'll still be holding on to this one. Everything is risk. It's all a risk. So, but we'll be taking trades. And the reason why I'm rushing is because we are near the entry, and I want to quickly drop the video so that at least we can capitalize on it. So that will be all without much analysis because we've done a lot of analysis on Monday already. So thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a profitable day. Don't risk too much. It's all a risk and anything can happen in the market. All our analysis can go wrong, but make sure your account doesn't go wrong. Thank you.